This is Hoya Nicholsoniae New Guinea Ghost. And this was really struggling along. I got this as a tiny cutting. It died back, it died back, it died back until I had one leaf left. Not even a stem, just one leaf. And from that one leaf, it grew again, which I was impressed by in general. And then I propagated and made a fuller pot. And now it's this whole plant. That's what I love about plants in general. It teaches us that we can come back from so much, especially now with, I have a brain injury. If you don't know, I fell 3.5 years ago. I hit my head. Do you see my little scar? I see it every day. Most people say they don't see it. It's fine. I fell while plant shopping with a plant shopping cart and hurt myself. And that has given me a long-lasting concussion, which is also known as post-concussion syndrome, which basically means you have concussion symptoms. We don't know why exactly. Good luck. So I've been rehabbing. I've been working on different therapies to help with it. I mostly get a lot of headaches. I get tired very quickly and I feel nauseous. I get lightheaded. Social interactions especially are very tiring for me. So if I ever bump into you and I'm not very nice, I would blame it on me either having a headache or just feeling very overwhelmed. I'm sorry if that happens. I try to be nice. And that's why I'm also really worried about this renovation. Most people probably would be excited more than worried. I've been crying a lot because I was so worried about my safe space here at home. Is I think the only place where I really feel good, where I can work, where I can chill, where I have my rest routines that really make me feel okay again, where I know I can restore. And all of that is going away for at least 5 weeks, in about 2 weeks. So that's why it's so scary for me. I don't know if I'll be able to recover from headaches. I don't know if I'll be able to deal with the noise because they're going to be making a lot of noise and I work from home. So I either have to sit upstairs or in the greenhouse. I don't know if the cats will be okay. I don't know if the plants will be okay. But mainly, I don't know if I will be okay. And I have to be reminded by my plants and by my boyfriend and all my friends and all of you lovely people who commented before, it will be okay. And we can come back from so much more than we think and thrive again. And probably it's going to be even better because the house is going to be warmer, better insulated, safer for the future. So thank you, plant. This plant just reminded me of that. This was not a rehearsed speech or anything. I just saw this plant. So beautiful plant and also beautiful lesson.